Hello friends, so in this video we are going to make this beautiful project with minimal beads materials at home. So here are the beads we'll be using: our connectors or anything that has hole, then a bigger bead of choice. These ones are the ones I have. Then you need your pliers. The 3 pliers will really suffice, these 3. Then you are going to need 2 sets of wires, 22 gauge and 18 wire gauge. Now, this is optional, a disposable infusion set, a drip set, if you have it or not. You can also make do with something that you have in your stash. Step 1. Attach the bead to the connector. Let's get there. So, this one is pretty easy and simple. Cut off your 22 wire gauge, comfortable length. On one end, just attach a stopper. I will show it here. It's quite easy and simple. Because the wire is flexible and pliable, it's something you can easily fix. Then you start tying in and out, in and out, in and out till you are done. Let's get to it. So, bead connectors are ready, and this is so chic and fine. It's so simple to make. You just need to have a bead or a connector at home, and then you get this one sorted. Perhaps you want to make for neck piece, for the neck pendant, the bracelet, the earring, and maybe a brooch. So you go and make many of this. Let's get to step 2. That is, wrap this infusion set with the wire. First thing you're going to do is to measure out the 18 gauge wire, the size that you want, and also cut off the infusion set. I'm going to show you here how I did all that, and this is so simple to follow. So let's get to it. So at one end of the wires, add a size 8 bead at each end to make the hook. Let's continue. So continue wrapping. You're going to get something like this, and you continue till you get to the end of the length. That's how you wrap with your wire, 22 wire. Then now go ahead and bend it to the shape of the neck. Yes, this is how it's going to look like. And once you are done, you are done. So let's just complete the last phase. Yay! So we're on to the third part, that is to attach connector to the infusion set. We are going to attach this. You can use your jump ring, you can use any ring of choice you have at home. So I'm not going to mark it specifically on what you want. You can use here. I hope you're enjoying this project so far. Please, if you're enjoying it, don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell, and then smash so that anytime we get a new project or a new video, you would know. And voila, you are done. That is it. So that you are done, we are on to the next and final step, which is you can wrap other connectors. As I told you earlier, I did all these ones at once and concluded it fast. So it's very easy to connect and wrap. So go ahead and count how many beads you want to use. Now last, and that is finishing touches. So if you have a little hammer at home, you see I hammered it down and all that, and that is all about it. So, and make the hook and the clasp very fine. If you have anyone at home, you can use and get all the ones that you have joined. Your earring, I didn't show it in this video, but you can go ahead and make any earring of choice. Make a very beautiful one. Your earring, your bracelet, the bracelet wasn't really so bad. I just attached the same thing I did on the necklace. This one I wrapped a wire and also did that. Then you get a brooch or so or something like that, anything that makes it pop. So that is how to make this beautiful project. Do not forget to subscribe, share this video, like and share with your friends, and shoes. Bye.
I recently got engaged.
Mazel.
Thank you very much. And I wanted to ask you about cleaning it, keeping it clean. I've never had anything quite this fancy, so I don't want to mess it up.
Very common question we get. I have a jewelry care kit that we sell. Would you be interested in one of these?
Yes, that'd be perfect. I bake a lot, and I just, I don't want to ruin it.
I knew you'd say yes.
What do you mean?
I made this project for a dear friend, so I was sending it.
He made the right choice, and it was a tough one.
It was?
People around here say I have a sixth sense. About couples.
Oh, okay.
Anyway,